Planning videos can be hard. When it comes to just pen and paper, that doesn't work very well for me. I'm more of a visual person, and unfortunately, I'm not the best at drawing. It just takes me way too much time. But there's a website and app that you can use to create entire video scripts and ideas. Milanote is a website that allows you to organize and plan your creative projects easily. It's the perfect tool for writers, marketers, designers, and anyone who needs to keep their ideas and inspirations in one place. Milanote's user-friendly interface allows you to create boards and add notes, images, and files to them. The ability to organize notes into lists and columns makes it easy to stay on top of your projects and see the big picture. One of the best features of Milanote is the ability to collaborate with others on the same board. Whether you're working with a team or you're just getting feedback from a friend, the collaboration feature makes it easy to share your ideas and get input from others. Let's talk about how Milanote can be used specifically for video ideas. You can use Milanote to organize your ideas by creating boards for different videos, series, or campaigns. Add notes with details about the video such as the concept, script, and even visual references. You can also add images and files to your notes, making it easy to reference visual inspiration or even store relevant research. For me, I've found my ultimate tool for keeping my YouTube video ideas and production on track. With Milanote, its simple yet powerful platform allows me to gather all my inspiration, jot down title ideas, and even write my script all in one place. Having everything in one central location has made such a huge difference for me in terms of staying organized and bringing my vision to life. It's a game changer for me personally, and I can't recommend it more. Milanote is a powerful tool that can help you take your video ideas to the next level. Its ability to organize and visualize different projects, elements, and collaborate with others makes it a must-have for anyone looking to stay on top of their creative projects. If you found value in this video, and hopefully now you have a new planning tool to start writing more concise YouTube ideas and actually getting them done, pressing record, and putting content out there, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.